Well, the little birds, I've had to put some fruit and nut seeds outside on the ledge there of my window for the birds, because they're all hungry and they're all cold. Oh, here we are. We got more over here. Whole bunch of little birdies. Because it's about 28 degrees and mixed precipitation, and as you can see through the window, you can hardly walk out here. But I take care of my animals. That's a, what's his name? Carolina. Can't think of his name right now, but anyway. By the way, there was a robin out earlier today. I don't know where he is.